Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. For now we are going to focus on the revision from exams engineer level exam questions, right? We are given these three questions. The first part, which is question 2A, and the second part, part B, where we want to factorize completely, right? So we want to attack the first question, which is question 2A, which says that expand 3x minus 2 whole squared. So we want to expand, right? So we want to see how to expand 3x minus 2 whole squared, right? Which is question 2A. We want to expand, right? We want to expand 3x minus 2 whole squared, right? Please guys, after watching this video on expanding and also on factorization, please don't forget to subscribe, even like, comment and share with your colleagues, right? So we want to see how to expand 3x minus 2 whole squared. So for us to expand 3x minus 2 whole squared, remember 3x minus 2 was repeated twice. That's why 3x minus 2 was given power x, meaning that 3x minus 2 was repeated twice, right? So since it was repeated twice, so we are saying 3x minus 2 and 3x minus 2. Since it was repeated twice, therefore we have to break it down like this thing so that we can expand it further, right? So since it was repeated twice, then we break down it like this thing. We just repeat 3x minus 2 twice. 3x minus 2 divided by 3x minus 2, right? So after all, we have to take the first expression or the first algebra. We are given 3x. Let's take 3x. 3x is multiplying the whole second bracket. So we are saying 3x is multiplying 3x minus 2, right? Then also, let's take the second value with its sign, right, which is minus 2. Minus 2 is also multiplying the second bracket. 3x minus 2, right? This is equals to. So let's now multiply 3x times 3x to get 9x squared, which is 3 by 3, which is 9. X times x, x squared. 3x times minus 2. So we are saying we have a positive sign here. So a positive by a negative. Just note these signs. Positive by negative to give us negative, right? 3x times minus 2 to give us 6x, right? Then we are done with the first part. Let's move on to the second part. Minus 2x times 3x, which is minus 6x. Then minus 2 times minus 2 to give us plus 4. Just means negative by negative to give us positive, 2 by 2 to give us 4. But remember, we are not yet done. We have to simplify the like terms and leave our solution in simplified form. So we are saying 9x squared minus 6x to give us minus 4x plus 4. So this is how to simplify or this is how to expand these terms. Please guys, after watching, don't forget to subscribe so that you enjoy more videos on this channel. Let's move on. Part B. We are asked to factorize completely. 9 minus y squared, right? We are asked to factorize 9 minus y squared. So for us to factorize 9 minus y squared, then we are saying with several ways we can apply for us to factorize. But just note that this concept of factorization fall under difference of two squares. What you call the difference of two squares. Difference of two just mean we have two signs, a positive sign and a negative sign. Same thing, share the first one take positive and the other one take negative sign. So since this one is a difference of two squares, then let's find the square root of 9 and also the square root of y squared. So we are saying this is equals to 9 minus y squared. Let's find the square root of the square root of 9, which is 3. Then remember it's a difference of two squares, so we have to say plus or minus. Then square root of y squared, we cancel the square root to give us y. So this is equals to, then now let's separate those two signs. The other one take positive and the other one take negative. So we are saying 3 plus y and the other 3 minus y. So this is how to factorize 9 minus y squared, applying the method of difference of two squares. Let's now work on the last part. On the last part, we are asked to expand x squared minus x minus 2. Right, we want to factorize x squared minus x minus 2, x squared minus x minus 2. So under the factorization of this quadratic expression, I want to teach you the two major methods you can apply for us to factorize x squared minus x minus 2 completely. So the first method I'm going to teach you is, first of all, find what you call the product of vector and also the sum of vector. Product of vector. So first to find the product of vector, we are saying x squared times minus 2 to give us minus 2x squared. Then here is your sum of vector, which is minus x. Minus x is your sum of vector. The one between minus x is your sum of vector. Sum means addition. Product means multiplication, right? That's why we multiply x squared times minus 2 to get minus 2x squared, which is product of vector. Then the other one is a sum of vector. Now let's find the factors of minus 2. If we multiply those two factors, they give us minus 2x squared. If you add them or subtract, they will give us minus x. The factors of minus 2x squared, right? So the factors of minus 2x squared, which is minus 2x plus 1, right? If you multiply minus 2x plus 1x, I mean, if you multiply minus 2x times x, it will give us minus 2x squared. Then if you add minus 2x plus x, it will give us minus x, meaning that minus 2 and 1 are the factors of minus 2, whereby if you multiply them, they will give us minus 2 squared, and if you add or subtract them, they will give us minus x. Then let's now eliminate the product of vector, this thing, and substitute by those two factors. So this is equals to x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2. This is equals to. So now we want to factorize from there. Let's group these terms in pairs, meaning let's group them 2 in pairs, right? Which one is common on the first expression, meaning that x is common between. So we remain with x minus 2. And what's common on this one? Meaning that plus 1 is common, right? Plus 1 is common, left with x minus 2, right? Then since these brackets x minus 2, x minus 2 are equal, we have to take one of them. It means x minus 2, then x plus 1. X plus 1. So this is how to factorize completely using the first method. And the second method is using the second method. We are saying x squared minus x minus 2. Using the second method, we are saying, right, Just note that if the coefficient of x squared is positive 1, if the coefficient of x squared is positive 1, this method can apply. And if the coefficient of x squared is either positive 1 or n value or even negative, then apply the second method, the first method. So applying the second method, meaning that the coefficient of x squared is positive 1, right? Which means your factors are also your solutions. These are factors minus 2 and plus 1. So we have to say minus 2 plus 1. If you notice, those solutions, they are equal just because the coefficient of x squared is positive 1. So thank you guys for being together on this simple lesson. After watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, also share with your colleagues. Thank you so much.